This course will take us through a process of how we become who we are, then how the subconscious and conscious and the preconscious mind controls us. Then we'll talk about taking control back from it, and we'll talk about quieting our thoughts. We'll talk about dealing with feelings and emotions when they're overwhelming us. And then we'll go on to how we can break all that down to like a nice neutral karma position. And then we have the opportunity to become whoever we want. We can then grow. When we were 5, 6, 7 years old, we wanted to become something awesome, something really good. We wanted to give back in life. We wanted to be successful, have a living, have family, own our own house. But ultimately, something happens. And I talk about this, how life just suddenly takes us away, like as if we're some kind of passenger. We think we got choice. I talk about, have we really got freedom of choice? But ultimately, by the end of the course, you can realize that you are not your identity. You don't have to be a continuation of your family. You don't have to be this person that people said you were. In actual fact, you don't have to be frightened of anything. You can have a complete mindset change and do whatever you want in life. Just as soon as we understand how we become what we did. Because without understanding how we become what we did, how can we change what we are? And that's what this course is about, becoming the person you wanted to become years ago. It took me till I was 40, but since then I've learned how to do it. And I'm going to teach you.